What's up guys, I'm Robin Campbell, one of the founders of Dance Dojo, and I want to welcome you to our course on Finding the Beat, where I'm going to help you learn how to count music within 30 days and radically improve how you're able to stay on beat. So why are we here, and why is it so important to be able to count music? Well, we've done surveys and we've seen it ourselves on the dance floor. The #1 challenge for new dancers is being able to stay on beat. And to stay on beat, you need to be able to count music. If you can't count the music, you can't step on the beat, you can't dance to it. And timing and being able to find the beat is so foundational for any type of dance, but specifically for partner dances. So if you have one partner doing something at one time and another partner doing something at another time, it's going to be really, really hard to find that connection. So timing and being able to find the beat is how you connect to music, and it's how you connect with your dance partners. The approach that I took throughout the years, I've kind of really thought about it, put it into a logical structure, and now I'm going to give it to you. And that is, #1, learn how to count non-salsa music. #2, learn how to move to non-salsa music. Once you've got those, #3 is learn to count salsa music. #4, learn to move to salsa music. So as you can see, it's a very logical process. And the keys to succeeding in this process are going to be consistency. If you practice every day, you're going to learn how to count and stay on beat much faster than someone that practices every second day or once a week. So consistency of practice is key, and then exposing yourself to music. The more music you hear, the more you tap on beat to that music, the more you try and move to the rhythm and the beat of that music, the quicker you're going to learn and the quicker you're going to succeed at your goal of hearing the beat and being able to stay on it. So, let's get started. I'm going to help you with this process. It's going to be fun. It's going to be lots of work, but you can do it. Let's go.